Pochita. You did it, huh? Took my body like I asked?
Just so you know, I've always loved listening to you talk about your dreams, Denji. Here's a new contract for you. This time you're getting my heart. In exchange, show me your dreams. That's all I ask of you.
Rise and shine. We got a long day ahead.
Did you mean it? She really burned me up inside, fiending. The love of my life. This is me and you. His and hers, Christian Lou. Traveling the world, taking drugs, just a few. You're more than my girl. You're my best friend in the whole wide world. You're my best friend in my whole wide world. You're my whole wide world. You're my whole wide world. You're my best friend in my whole wide world. You're my best friend in my whole wide world. You're my best friend in my whole wide world.
I'm in one piece. Pochita made me happy, and that should have been enough. I kept on dreaming of a better life. I guess we all fantasize about getting an upgrade. Can't really say I blame you for that. Dreaming's not a bad thing, but if you're gonna get in our way...
You're my best friend in my whole world.